Well, hey everyone, welcome to Love to Create by Tonya. Today I've got just a quick and simple Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to take these 3 little gnomes that I purchased at Dollar Tree and make them a little more festive using all Dollar Tree items. I'm just going to let you watch this one through till the end. I will leave in the description below all of the items that I did purchase from Dollar Tree. Like I said, it's a really fun and simple one. I'm actually working on several more of the bigger farmhouse style decor pieces, and they will be for Christmas. And I'll get those uploaded for you tomorrow afternoon. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and let you watch how I do this. Well, everyone, I hope you've liked how these 3 little guys turned out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great weekend.